Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright little square is waiting quietly, like a clean sheet of paper on a sunny morning. Nothing is drawn yet, but that makes it exciting. The page is saying, "Come on, imagination, wake up." Soon, a friendly picture will begin, one gentle line at a time. Now a funny round shape appears, curling like a soft bean or a sleepy little cloud. It wiggles around with a big curve, almost as if it is giggling. This is the beginning of our cheerful pig friend's head, and already it looks playful and sweet.
Whee!
Tiny circles pop onto the face like happy little bubbles. One circle becomes a snout, and two more circles become bright eyes. Our pig friend is starting to look around the page, curious and excited. It feels like the drawing is waking up and saying hello.
Yes!
Boing, boing, boing! Little ears spring up on top, and a round cheek appears on the side. A big, smiling mouth curves across the face. Our pig friend looks wonderfully pleased, as if thinking, "What a lovely day for a sweet treat and a happy adventure." The face becomes clearer and friendlier, with the smile sitting proudly under the snout. The cheek looks round and soft, and the ears stand tall like tiny balloons. Our pig friend seems ready to laugh, snort, and bounce into a funny little story.
Yay!
A simple dress shape is drawn below the head, making our pig friend look ready to go outside. The body is neat and round, like a little bell. She stands in the middle of the page, smiling kindly, waiting to see what surprise will come next. Something pointy appears near her hand. Is it a flag? Is it a kite? No, it looks like the start of a delicious ice cream cone. Our pig friend seems very interested, because treats are always more fun when they arrive with a silly drawing surprise.
Whee!
Yum, yum! The cone is finished with crisscross lines, and round scoops sit on top like tiny snowballs. Our pig friend holds it carefully and smiles with delight. The ice cream looks tall, tasty, and a little wobbly, so everyone must hold very still.
Yes!
Now the body grows bigger, and a little arm stretches out to the side. Behind her, a curly tail appears like a tiny spiral noodle. She looks proud of her ice cream, standing tall as if she is about to announce, "I have the yummiest cone ever."
Okay.
Two little legs and shoes are added underneath the dress. Tap, tap. Now our pig friend can stand firmly on the page. She holds the ice cream in one hand and keeps her other arm out for balance, looking like she might dance with her dessert.
Yes!
A straight ground line appears behind her feet, and an oval shadow is drawn below. Now she is not floating anymore. She has a place to stand, like a tiny stage. Our happy pig friend is ready for her big ice cream moment in the spotlight.
Yay!
The lines become cleaner and bolder, and the ice cream cone looks extra special. Her dress, legs, shoes, smile, ears, and curly tail all fit together perfectly. She stands proudly, as if posing for a picture before taking the first chilly, crunchy bite. The drawing settles into place, with the ground line steady and the little oval beneath her feet. Our pig friend smiles gently at her ice cream, waiting politely. Maybe she is counting the scoops, or maybe she is wondering which flavor to taste first.
Yes!
Everything is ready now, but the picture is still black and white. That means one more magical step is coming. Our pig friend looks cheerful, but she needs color to make the day sparkle. The ice cream is waiting, the dress is waiting, and the grass is waiting too.
Whee!
The final line drawing stands neat and proud, like a coloring page asking for crayons. The pig's smile is big, the cone is delicious, and the little shoes are planted firmly. Everyone can almost hear her giggle. Please add colors and make me bright. Hooray! The colors arrive. The pig turns pink, her dress becomes bright red, the grass grows green, and the ice cream turns chocolatey and sweet. Now the picture feels sunny, funny, and full of joy. Our little pig friend is ready to enjoy her wonderful ice cream day.